Hey friends, this is Atif of Pure Val and welcome to the new update on Litecoin. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Litecoin has broken out a down channel on the daily time frame chart, and after the breakout from that channel, the price has formed another rising wedge pattern. And this was my last video that I shared almost 2 days ago with you. And now if you take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then this was the channel that I was showing you. You can see that after the breakout, it is still moving inside this wedge. And recently, the pricing is once again geared up after testing the support of the wedge and read the resistance of this rising wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Litecoin that I shared a few days ago on 2nd of October 2024 with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost 18% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Litecoin that I shared with my members on 2nd of October 2024, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher move that Litecoin completed on a daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal, buying on and the sell target on, and below $61.93 was the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price had pumped very well and moved beyond the sell target zone, and so far it has pumped almost 18%. And before that, we got almost 18% pump in the previous month. And this signal I shared on 9th of September 2024, and this was a quite similar move, another harmonic bullish versus cipher move on a daily time frame chart. And this was a complete trade signal for this move. A buying on and the sell target on, and below $59 was the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then nicely moved up from the buying zone and moved beyond the sell target zone. This was another 18% pump, and this was the next cipher move that I have shared recently on 2nd of October. And by the way, if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Litecoin. And this is the weekly. First of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days or even several weeks or months, it has been moving inside this channel. This was the down channel. This was the resistance and support. You can see that we had bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, and finally we broke out the resistance of this channel. And while moving inside this channel, we found another uptrend and support and resistance of another rising wedge pattern. You can see that we had a bounce from the support of this wedge here, and rejection here, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, and now again the price has reached the resistance of the wedge. For example, if it will be rejected once again, then this time it can test the support of the rising wedge pattern along with this long-term support of $65 at the same time. And in case of breaking out this rising wedge pattern, by the way, if the price breaks down the wedge, then technical target will be here at the bottom of the wedge. That will be approximately at $56, and in that situation the price can also retest the previous resistance of the channel as support. And in case of breaking out this rising wedge pattern, the technical target for the breakout will be here. That will be approximately at $86. And now if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that Litecoin has already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern, and the long-term technical target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between $400 to $500. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.